Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back in mathematics class. Children, we have completed the syllabus. Now the turn is for revision. So be ready to revise your syllabus. See some questions I have written here. The first question is a circular track having inner radius 120 meter and outer radius 140 meter. Find the area of the track. See children how to solve this one. A circular track, see this children, in this way. Here inner radius is 120 meter and outer radius is 140 meter. Then we have to find the area of this track. If you watch carefully, it is looking like a ring. That means in this question, the capital R is 140 meter and a small r is 120 meter. So apply the formula for area of the ring. Area of track will be, it is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square. Now put the value and calculate it. Say here, area will be equal to 22 by 7 into 140 square minus 120 square. That means 22 by 7 into, children apply here the formula for a square minus b square. Means in one bracket 140 plus 20, in another bracket 140 minus 120, and unit will be meter square. So calculate this one. 22 by 7 into, this is 260 and this is 20. Children, you can see that 7 cannot divide 26 and it cannot divide to 20 also. So when 7 dividing 22, we will get 3.14 and this will be 52,200. By multiplying these two, we will get our answer. See this one. If we multiply all these numbers, we will get 16328. The decimal will be removed because there are two zeros and here after decimal two digits. So when we will multiply both, then the decimal will be removed. 16,328 meter square is the area of the track. Okay. Now see the question number 2. Find the area of a circle having diameter 30.8. Here diameter is 30.8 centimeter. Then we can find the radius. Radius is half of diameter. That means 15.4 centimeter. And if radius is 15.4, then what will be the area? Area will be pi into r square. That means 22 by 7 into 15.4 centimeter whole square. Is this understood? Area of a circle is pi into r square. Value of pi is 22 by 7. Value of r means radius. We have got here 15.4. So now calculate this one. Area is equal to 22 by 7 into 15.4 into 15.4 centimeter square. 7 dividing 15.4 by 2.2 times. Now multiply all the numbers and get your answer. If we multiply these, see here. First 22 is multiplied by 2.2. Then 48.4 we are getting. 48.4 is multiplied by 15.4. This multiplication you will do yourself, children. You will check that it is correct or not. Okay. So we are getting the answer 745.36 centimeter square. Okay. Now see the question number 3. The base of a triangle is 36 centimeter and its corresponding height is 13 centimeter. Then find the area of the triangle. Children, we know that area of a triangle is equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Here in this question, base is given 36 centimeter and height 13 centimeter. So by calculating it, we can get the answer. 2 dividing 36 by 18 times. Now 18 into 3, 18 into 13. 18 into 3, 54, 5 carry on. 18 1 18 plus 5, 23. That means 234 centimeter square is the area of the triangle. Okay. Now see the question number 4. The base and height of a triangle are in the ratio 7:4. If the area of the triangle is 87.5 centimeter square, find its base and height. Children, here base and height ratio is 7:4. So suppose that base is 7x centimeter and height is 4x centimeter. Yes children, this is the technique. If base and height are given in the ratios, then we will attach one variable with both. Base will be taken as 7x, height will be taken as 4x. Now since area is equal to 87.5 centimeter square, this is given, so we will apply the formula for area. Area of a triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height. That means 1 by 2 into 7x into 4x is equal to 87.5 centimeter square. Now solve this one. X into x square. 2 is dividing 4 by 2 times. And 7 into 2 will go right hand side. Then it will become 87.5 upon 7 into 2. Now 7 will divide this number by 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14.5, 12.5 times. 2 divides this number by 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. That means x square is equal to 6.25. Then x will be equal to square root of 6.25. Children, when you find the square root of this number, you will get 2.5. If x is 2.5, then what will be the base? Base we have taken 7x, that means 7 into 2.5 centimeter. That means 17.5 centimeter. And height will be 4x, means 4 into 2.5 centimeter means 10 centimeter. And this will be your answer. Okay, note down these questions so that we can do some more. Okay children, now see question number 4. Find the area of an isosceles triangle in which the length equal sides is. In which the length of equal sides is 5 centimeter and third side is 8 centimeter long. See carefully children, very important question it is. Suppose this is the equilateral triangle in which these two are the equal sides, which length is 5 centimeter each, and the third side is this one, this is 8 centimeter. Now we have to find the area of this triangle. Children, we have learned that if all the sides of the triangles is known, then which formula we will apply? See here. Suppose that A is equal to 5 centimeter B is also 5 centimeter and C is 8 centimeter. Then first we find the semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter means A plus B plus C by 2. A is 5 centimeter, B is 5 centimeter, C is 8 centimeter. That means 18 upon 2, that means 9 centimeter. We have got the semi-perimeter. Now the formula for area is square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is called the Heron's formula. Heron's formula. Okay. Now put the value and calculate it. Value of S is 9. S minus A is 9 minus 5. S minus B is 9 minus 5. S minus C is 9 minus 8. Now 9 into 4 into 4 into 1. Okay. 9, this one, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1. Square root of 9 is 3. These 4 are in pair, so 1 4 will come out. So 3 into 4 centimeter square, that means 12 centimeter square will be the area of this isosceles triangle. Now see question number 6. Find the area of an equilateral triangle having sides 6 centimeter each. This is also very easy. Area of the equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. This is the formula. So root 3 by 4 into 6 centimeter square. That means root 3 by 4 into 36. 4 will divide 36 by 9 times. That means area of equilateral triangle is 9 into root 3 centimeter square. 9 is multiplied by root 3. So you will get 9 into root 3. The value of root 3 is not given in this question and we have not learned how to find the value of root 3. So we are not going to solve it. Just leave your answer here. Okay. How will you find the value of root 3? That you will learn in class 8th. Okay. Now see the last question of the day. The radius of a circular field is 31.5 meter. Radius is given, children. See how to solve this one. Question is asking, find the distance covered by a boy in making 3 complete rounds. We have to find distance covered by boy in 3 rounds. Children, we know that on a circular track, the one complete round is equal to its circumference. Circumference formula is 2 pi r. If in one round distance covered is 2 pi r, then distance covered in 3 rounds will be 3 times circumference. Only this point you have to understand. On a circular track, one complete round is equal to circumference means 2 pi r. So distance covered in 3 rounds will be 3 into 2 pi r. Now put the value and calculate it. 3 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 31.5 meter. Okay. 7 dividing 31.5. 7 into 4, 28.5. Okay. Now see, 4.5 into 2, 9. 4.5 into 2, 9. 9 into 3, 27. 27 into 22. 27 into 22. 27 to the 54. 5 carry on. 54 plus 5, 59. That means 594 meter is the distance covered in 3 rounds. Okay, For today only this much, children. On the next turn, we will solve the questions from more chapters. Bye bye.